Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Instagram blend, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. To get an Instagram blend, you don't have to go through any of the settings or buy it. You just have to go to your app store, search Instagram, update it to the latest version, because that's a latest feature that has been given by the Instagram itself. So it should come within the Instagram like the other features that you have been using. So if you don't see the feature yet, go ahead, simply update your Instagram app. Now when you go to your Instagram, right over here, you're gonna go ahead and access a chat. You should find this kind of little icon, which is the blend icon. It simply blends your interests and kind of reels or conversation that you have been sharing, and it will come up with the taste of the reels, and then you can go ahead, simply share it to your conversation partner and keep the blend going. When you use the blend and go through the blend, it will simply send out this kind of notification that says that you visited your blend, something like that, and that's how it works. That's simply it for this video. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.